YANI University project. As we enter the week 59 of Phase 2A and week 37 of Phase 2B from December 11 to December 17, 2023. The scope of work construction in the phase of 2A concludes Faculty of Medicine, Faculty of Dentistry, and supporting building such as Substation 2 and Substation 5. As for the phase of 2B concludes infrastructure of main and secondary road, Substation 4, parking lot in the Plaza area of Rectorate Building, Auditorium Building and its infrastructure, also Faculty of Science and Informatics and its infrastructure. The achievement of realization percentage for the phase of 2A this week has reached 87.5339 from the planned progress target of 82.8124 with a deviation of plus 4.7215. While the achievement for the phase of 2B has reached 10.8633 from the planned progress target of 7.0875 with a progress deviation of plus 3.7757. Construction progress for the phase of 2A. The construction for Faculty of Medicine, both for A and B building, this week progress is underway on the architecture works, starting from the building entrance area for the skylight frame installation and canopy membrane installation on the front and back area of the building. On the inside of the building, there's an ongoing work for the installation of homogeneous tiles for each floor in every room, including for toilets and corridor. Installation for door frame and boven light, frame, gypsum and gyp tile cover for ceiling, curtain wall, as well as glass facade and joint sealant, ACP work and GRC work on the outside area, including inner court area for both A and B building. MEP work is also in progress, especially in the installation for electrical lines, air conditioning lines for each rooms and corridors, plumbing installation for lavatory, and outdoor AC installation. The building for Faculty of Dentistry, as well as surrounding parking area, Substation 2 and Substation 5 has been completed. Construction progress for the phase of 2B. It starts with the infrastructure work for the main roads, secondary roads, and parking areas. For Substation 4, it has started the architecture works in constructing partition wall and membrane installation on the rooftop. Continue with MEP works such as installation for electrical wire and equipment's arrival for trafo, genset, and electrical panel. The construction of Auditorium Building comprised the work for the upper structure for every zone. In Zone 1, we have steel frame installation for roof, dismantling work for scaffoldings, and precast tribune installation. The steel frame installation is also underway in Zone 2, followed by beam construction work in Zone 3. Form work for columns and precast tribune installation in Zone 4. And lastly, the concrete slab casting work for rooftop in Zone 5. On the construction of the Faculty of Science and Informatics building has continued the pile driving work for the structure, excavation process, followed by casting work and frame installation for a tower crane foundation. Thus, we present the progress report for the new JENDERAL YANI University project in Cimahi, West Java, Indonesia. Thank you.